In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search by invoice number in QuickBooks. This is a quick, no-frills method that saves you time and keeps you focused on what matters. Finding that exact invoice without digging through menus or scrolling long lists. The key idea is simple. You don't need to open the invoices page at all. Instead, use the global search bar at the very top of your QuickBooks screen. It's the field with the magnifying glass icon. Click into that search bar and type the exact invoice number you're looking for. If your numbering includes a prefix, like INV 1007, make sure to include that prefix. The closer your entry matches the real invoice number, the more precise your results will be. As you type, QuickBooks automatically displays suggestions and related searches just below the bar. Keep an eye on those suggestions. This is where your invoice usually appears. You'll often see the invoice number alongside helpful context, such as the customer name, the transaction date, or the amount. Use these details to confidently identify the one you need, especially if your invoice numbers are similar or if multiple transactions share close sequences. If you don't see anything right away, double-check that you entered the number correctly and that there aren't any extra spaces. Consider whether the invoice might use a different numbering format in your company, or whether you're in the right company file if you manage more than one. Minor typos or missing prefixes are the most common reasons nothing shows up. This approach is designed to be fast. Because you're searching by a unique identifier, the invoice number, you bypass the need to filter by date, customer, or status first. That means less clicking, less hunting, and less time away from your actual work. It also reduces errors that can happen when scanning through lots of similar transactions. A quick note on visibility. Your results reflect your access in QuickBooks. If you don't have permission to view certain transactions, they may not appear in search, even if the number exists. That's expected behavior and helps keep your data secure. And that's truly it. To find an invoice by number in QuickBooks, head straight to the top search bar, enter the invoice number exactly as it appears, and use the related search results to pinpoint the correct transaction. It's the fastest path to the right record, and once you get used to it, you'll wonder why you ever navigated anywhere else first.